I'm Andrew Harding, CIMA's Managing Director. Today I'm with Gary Gates, the Senior Vice President of Pearson VUE. Pearson VUE are our delivery partner for all of our new computerised assessments. The reality of workplace these days, it is screen, it is keyboard, it's a different communication experience. So a move from paper to computer-based feels very natural. Personally, I can remember doing my MBA 12 years ago and suddenly realising in my first exam it's the first time I'd tried writing for 3 hours in about 20 years, and I felt my arm was going to drop off.
People are used to the computer. In fact, we're seeing people come to us not only in the financial space, obviously in the IT space, but in the medical space, where people want to do exams on computer because that's the medium they're used to. I mean, computers are all evasive now. So I think that for us, that's something we're seeing, and we're seeing very positive feedback from candidates about the whole experience. A computer-based platform, which is a global enterprise platform, which is central and delivers globally, means you get a consistent testing experience. So it doesn't matter if you're doing a test in Manchester or in Beijing or in Sydney, it's the same testing experience. So as our measurement scientists or psychometricians like to call it, it's a fair and reliable test.
When we introduced the 2015 syllabus, the idea was it was there to support employability. It was to produce management accountants who are going to be competent in the workplace. So the case study elements that we have are really important to us, and we worked with you there to produce something as close to a work environment as we could, almost a simulation. How did that progress?
Well, I mean, one of the interesting things is, we worked for over 12 months with the CIMA subject matter expert. What we've tried to do in partnership is produce an assessment which is bringing a number of learning elements together. And it's really about real life in terms of what happens for real accountants when they're asked real questions. They've got to think about the audience and how they actually present information, how they bring different learnings together. So it all goes back to why do we do this in the first place? Turning learners into earners. It's for people to get jobs, to employees to have relevant skills. And I think we're seeing that pull from employees as well. They want people with relevant skills.
Now this has been going for a year. How are you seeing others react, other industries, other professions, that sort of thing?
We're seeing that CIMA sort of led the way in a way in some of the things that you've done. So I think it's quite interesting that not only is it just about computer-based testing, but it's about how that platform and that way of delivering assessments allow you to be more innovative around the questions you ask and the competencies that you're measuring through that testing experience.
And Gary, that very much resonates with CIMA's mission around helping people and businesses to succeed. Gary, thank you very much indeed.